The resident office of the Tulsa District U.S. Army Corps of Engineers recently completed construction of an advanced individual training barracks designed with innovative safety measures to guard against progressive collapse.
So think of progressive collapse like getting kicked in the shin. You have an immediate reaction to lift that leg, and then you transfer the weight of your body onto the leg that's standing. And so for progressive collapse, you think of that as like a structural column. If one column is removed, then basically it puts stress on the surrounding building structure, which could potentially lead to a collapse of the building.
The Tulsa District is constructing a second identical barracks for AIT soldiers. Each 90,000 square foot barracks was designed to be water and energy efficient to meet the Army's stringent standards.
LEED is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, and that is an Army sustainability requirement for buildings this size. We have to design the building to a LEED Silver certification, and some of the ways we accomplish that are through like LED lighting, water efficient plumbing fixtures, occupancy sensors, and an energy efficient mechanical design.
Emphasizing attention to detail helps the Tulsa District deliver quality projects in support of the Army's training mission at Fort Sill.
Well, of course I want to deliver quality to the customer. That's important, and it's important to them. I want to make sure they have that quality and the longevity that they anticipate when they get it. So when they get in and start using it, things just don't start breaking, falling apart, need repair immediately. And it usually starts with the simple things, whether it's finishes on the walls or getting rubbed, doors poking holes. So I put the emphasis on that, and I know the customers do, and being delivered on time is really important, especially with training facilities. So these are welcomed addition to Fort Sill, and the users they really want to get into them.
Tulsa District is on track to complete construction by the end of March 2025.